mint oil. Pungent mustard seeds. Eye-popping chili flakes. That's the sizzle that we're looking for. Earthy cumin. And where are my limbless lizards? Limbless lizards. Oh, no, no limbless lizards in this recipe. Don't worry, I've got plenty more garlic to ward away those vampires. Curry pumpkin needs. Seriously, guys, canned pumpkin rocks. It's a party. You don't want to be stuck in the kitchen carving pumpkins. No, 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 no. It's soup time. After a long day of trick-or-treating and scaring little children, nothing better than a pumpkin soup. Coconut milk will make it rich and creamy. In Ireland, on All Hallows Eve, they make a sweet pumpkin bread called Bambrack. Funny enough, on Halloween as a child, I always dressed up like Casanova. I don't really know why, because nowadays, no Casanovas are coming after this witch. Move it. Chai. It's ghoulishly delicious. This simple spice cake is dressed up with cinnamon, chai tea, and raisins. This plus this gives you this. How easy was that? While that was baking, I was busy conjuring up spells for my future husband. I hope it worked. A little Barmbrack for all of you leprechauns on All Hallows Eve. Melted butter. Spicy. Perfect combo. Pumpkin soup, pumpkin bread. It's so good I'm out of my head. It's time for a costume change and a little more soup.